me again, Professor Egbert, and today is a very exciting day. It's Egg Preparation Day. I've hand-picked the finest egg there is, and I'm about to turn it into a pace egg. Now, I did promise to explain what in the name of Humpty Dumpty a pace egg actually is. Now, traditionally, the pace eggs were wrapped in onion skins. Yes, you heard me, onion skins. They certainly knew their onions. Then they would boil the pace eggs to give the eggshells a golden mottled effect. But I won't be using onion skins to wrap my pace eggs. Oh, no. That would certainly end in tears. I am going to be using this. Now, the instructions are on here somewhere. There we are. You will need a pan of water, an egg, a red cabbage, and the rest of the decoration is up to you. Now I've got the ingredients, all I need is the method. First, you must separate the eggs. Oh, I don't love you anymore. Oh, no. Well, I'm leaving then. Oh, go on. Beat it. Oh, this is so sad. It's making me cry. Oh, I'm only joking. Oh, Egbert, you fool. You've been reading completely the wrong recipe. Now, I'd better be off to prep my eggs if they're going to stand out. I'll be back in a jiffy with the result. Now here it is, my exquisite pace egg. Isn't she a beauty? I'm very proud. Now all I have to do is find a spot and roll it down the hill to see how far it can go without breaking. Wish me luck. I thought, just in case, I'll decorate myself an extra egg. And there you have it. Perfect.